Find or read reviews that people are talking about Olycism Mini Projector, with 2 gaming controllers and 10,000 plus games portable projector. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 10,000 plus games and 2 gaming controllers. Olycism Mini Projector has built-in 10,000 plus single games and 2 wireless gaming controllers, which combined with the large screen, the infinite amplification of the fun of the game. Whether it is with family and friends, or alone immersed in the game world, high-definition projection effect will bring you an immersive feeling. 180 degrees rotatable portable projector and 130-inch giant screen. This mini projector has a 180 degrees rotatable design that allows you to tilt the projector in a variety of ways, even towards the ceiling. You can project the movie projector onto your bedroom ceiling and enjoy lying down while watching a movie. At the same time, it can produce sharp images on screens ranging from 40 to 130 inches, such as immersive movie theaters, where you can fully immerse yourself in movie or game entertainment activities. 8000 lumen and supports 4K/1080p. This mini projector boasts 8000 lumens of brightness, a native 720p resolution, 1080p and 4K compatibility, and a contrast ratio of 10,000 by 1. Not only is it 50% brighter than other projectors, but it also produces vibrant images in a variety of settings, resulting in lifelike visual effects. Android 12 and integrated dual-band Wi-Fi 6. This mini projector is built in with Android 12, making it simple to download a wide range of apps. Wi-Fi 6 offers faster transfer rates and lower latency, and you can wirelessly sync to a large screen in seconds. 5.2 Bluetooth and automatic ladder correction. This small projector with a gamepad uses an upgraded Bluetooth 5.2 chip, and the connection is stay-free. The smart projector also has built-in speakers to play sound without additional sound equipment. Intelligent automatic trapezoidal correction automatically identifies the cut angle and allows you to align various projection positions. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.